Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So before I started doing this hair tutorial, I was having a banana and when I was editing I thought it was just funny to kind of leave it in. Just not everything's as glam and as perfect as you think. So we're just going to go in and get into the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and check out all my other videos. They're all linked below, my more recent ones, and you can check out my playlist. So yeah, I just we're also doing a French braid in today's video. So this is like a highly requested one. I always get loads of people asking me questions how to do French braid yourself, and it's really simple. This one I'm doing today is for like a medium to short layered hair. So you just want to separate the front sections of your hair. This is the way I like to do it, but I will be doing other French braids. Add a little bit of back combing just for the height, and then I pin it to the side. So this French braid French twist I'm going to be doing is just one of the most easy and simplest ones you can possibly do. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. This isn't a hard one to do. You can just really get this done super quick. You just need a lot of elastic bands and a bit of patience to practice. So you're just going to go in and just line up a few pins, and I do turn around in a second to show you. But you're just going to line up a few pins, as you can see, just going straight up to try get as many in. In retrospect, I should have added one more in the bottom, but again, I just didn't have a mirror handy to see the way my camera is just set up at the moment. So then you just want to brush your hair from the side, and you want to make sure no bit is flatter. So you can see I'm kind of messing around with it to kind of smoothen it off and make sure it's all the same all around. It is handy to have a little curl in your hair first of all. So I tend to do this hairstyle like a day after it's been curled, or maybe 2 or 3 days being dirty. But as you can see, I just rolled the hair in my hands and just twisted it into the shape, and I'm doing this without any mirrors or without an extra camera in then. So if I can do it, you can do it, trust me. And you just want to get a few hairpins, and you can see I've just twisted it. In between, I did check in the mirror to make sure it was in place and to fix some of the hairs underneath. But then you just want to try and get the hair to look like a bit of a circle in the bottom, and it just turned out so beautiful. And you can see I just kind of tucking it all under, so you do have like that little pouch underneath that you can just tuck hair into, and it just turned out so beautiful. So then with the front section of hair, I decided that I wasn't going to do more of a middle, it was going to be more of a real side part, and just to match in. So then I just brought this hair down to make it super smooth. I did get a little bit of hairspray and stuff to just kind of pump that down to spray it in, but as you can see, your little pouch underneath your French twist, you can stick some hair into, and it looks absolutely beautiful. So then what you want to do with the rest of the hair is, I wanted to have a little on my face because I always find that looks very glamorous. The only time I really like all the hair off my face is like a middle part, like one of my previous upstyles videos. But for this, I do want to keep some on my face just to give that really glamorous and professional look. And yeah, so you just want to continue just to sweep it over to the side. You can just initially bring all your hair back and just have one big bouffant, and just have your hair all big at the front. And you can see I've just tucked this all under as well. So that's kind of the end of the tutorial. That's just how I did it. It's one of my real basic French twists. I will do some more technical ones, but I just kind of figured when there's a really easy and simple way to do it, you might as well do the really easy and really simple way, because it's just easier. I thought I was being all cute with my lipstick, and then I spilt it all over the floor. My white carpet is now pink on it. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Check out my Instagram, where I love to do some cosplay and dress up. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys. Mwah.